Hello students, we know the difficulties you are facing during this learn from home posture due to COVID-19. My extra classes would like to share some ideas that could make your learning at home easier.
The first step you could take is to set up your own learning space.
Find an area in your house where you can sit comfortably and focus. Make it separate to your relaxation space, ideally away from a TV screen or other distractions. Get comfortable, but not too comfortable. Look for natural light. Keep things organized.
The next thing is to take down notes during the class.
When you take notes in a paper or on your computer, it increases your ability to focus. You will be able to understand and process more information. It engages your mind. It helps in improving your prioritizing skills and memory. Taking notes inspires your creativity and increases your comprehension skills. It also extends your attention span and improves your organization of information.
Whether you are learning at home or in school, it's a very good habit to plan your day.
If you just have a list of things to study, break it down into small tasks and plan to do the hardest ones when you have the most energy. Planning can greatly reduce your stress quotient. Planning serves as a way to evaluate your progress as you work. Time is wasted less. And you spend more time where it really matters. When you start planning your day, you will have less life friction and problems.
The most important advantage of learning at home is that you lessen the distractions.
You can always lessen your distractions by keeping these points into your mind. Point number 1, harness your imagination and picture that you're at school and not at home. Point number 2, lock your phone away if you need to. Don't be afraid to ask your parents to intervene. Point number 3, subscribe to productivity YouTube channels such as My Extra Classes and others as per your subject interest. These are great study companions so you can focus 100%.
Now, it's time to change it up.
Sometimes, you probably have a schedule for your lessons, but if things are becoming difficult to focus on, take a 5-minute break and come back to it. Just let your teacher know. Be kind to your mind if you need a break from a consistent schedule.
Whenever you need, let's speak up and ask for help from your teacher or any fellow classmates.
When things get tough, don't just push it. Ask your parents, reach out to your teacher, or seek the help of your classmates. Always remember one thing, support will always be available, as long as we ask for it.
If you are learning at home, you are learning at your own pace.
When you start browsing through interesting online courses and programs at My Extra Classes or over the web, you'll notice the self-paced label on most of them. What does this mean? Self-paced learning means that the students can start completing the targets at any time, and he can arrange a learning schedule that meets his individual needs.
Now, we can say, learning from home can be difficult, but it's definitely achievable. My Extra Classes offers various courses online for free to students and professionals. Please utilize this opportunity and make the most of it. All the best to all for your continuous learning and self-development.